Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. My name is Greg, and on today's episode, we're talking about power steering delete. How's that? Punchy enough? As you guys know, I'm rebuilding an AE82 Corolla Seca, and now I'm going to have a power steering delete. I'm not interested in running power steering, so just a quick run through on what I've actually done. So the to and from lines to the pump, obviously they're deleted. Just a cycle back, basically a pipe using the AN fittings. Now on this particular setup, I've gone with the Raceworks brand of fittings because I'm not I don't want the typical red and blue anodized fittings. They're not going to go with the flavour of the car, so I really like the Raceworks product. They do a lot of black fittings, so they suit my build perfectly. So I've got basically a delete for this part right here. That was where a couple of vacuum lines are connected, so I'm doing away with that obviously. So that plug will go into there, and that's pretty much it. The rack ends are fine, they're all good. Also with these particular cars, you can have two different length rack ends depending on whether it was a PBR rack or I'm guessing a Toyota or another manufacturer. But these existing ones, this rack is actually off an 87 Corolla. So I'm just swapping it straight over. I've got another set of rack ends if need be. And yeah, so these are fine. These will stay on for now. I've just got to give these a final once over and tighten up. Happy with the way it looks, and looking forward to getting this back in the car. I've just got to grease up the arms there, get that one out and do the same. But there you have it, guys. Thanks. It is all about me. Thank you very much.